Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this inGreens NAD 1800 milligram supplement. This is a premium NAD supplement with a potent blend of niacinamide riboside, transresveratrol, and trimethylglycine. As you can see, the package is very nice. It has this nice smooth feel to it, and it basically tells you how it works on one side, tells you the suggested use, and then the ingredients on the back. Pretty simple. You just got the supplement bottle right here. Now this is purely made in the USA, so you're getting the finest ingredients. Pop it open. And then here are the supplements themselves. The serving size is 2 soft gels, and then you've got 60 soft gels. So this will last you about a month. As I squeeze this, it's nice and dense, so you can tell there's lots of substance in there. The size isn't too large, so you don't have to worry about choking on this at all while you're swallowing. 100% natural, GMO free, and it has a GMP badge for good manufacturing practices. It's a simple 2 per day, and you get the anti-aging and health benefits from it. Thanks for watching.